Okay, we're here at 4827 8th Avenue, Los Angeles 90043. So we're trying to check the sewer line over here, and we tried to go from a 2-inch cleaner behind the kitchen. That not even graded properly. There's a full of grease in the line over there. We've tried to go from the roof vent over here, and we've gone through two 90-degree turns, and underneath the house, we believe the pipe is broken on the bottom of the T and the camera's not going. So pull it back really slow. We can see right over here. Okay, well, okay, you see, go in slowly, go. Yeah, you see the pipe is broken on the bottom over here. So we're not going anywhere with the camera over here. It's not going anywhere. So, no, don't push. No, Rudy. There, Rudy, go. Push. 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 There, you got it. You got it. You got it. Okay, you got it. Keep going. Very old, this cast iron pipe. Extremely old. Very heavy rust buildup in it. Comes to some ABS plastic over here. Okay, stop. Looks like a clay pipe. I'm going to look. Okay, so we got lucky and we were able to get our camera all the way out to underneath the sidewalk. And we cannot push the camera any further because it looks like there's some mortar buildup at the joint over here. And considering the distance that we've had to go, all the elbows we've had to go through, we cannot push the camera any further than this. So just bring it back real slow a little bit. Yeah, you can see a little bit of mortar at the joint over here. And that's preventing us from pretty much going any further than that. So we're underneath the sidewalk now in the 6-inch pipe. Unfortunately, we cannot check any further than that. It comes to the 4-inch clay pipe, which is running through the front yard. And this is actually in fair condition. It does have some minor roots. Now, I think I also located clay pipe underneath the structure of the house, and clay piping is not allowed underneath the structure of the house. So we'll give you a couple of recommendations over here. We've run a lot of water, and the water is flowing. And even though there is some mortar at the joint over there, the water was definitely flowing. So we're probably going to recommend, you see some roots over there, we're going to recommend that the cast iron piping underneath the house be replaced, as well as the clay pipe that's underneath the house, and to the outside, and put a clean out outside, and then be able to continue the inspection over here. So you can see the clay pipe outside, definitely getting old, but still appears to be in fair condition. Remember, never flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, things like that. So I'm going to get an exact spot where the pipe exits the house. Okay, so right over here it's going to turn. Okay, hold it there. Okay, so from here, coming back underneath the house is clay piping over here. Quite a few feet over here. although it appears to be in pretty good condition, it's not allowed underneath the structure of the house. And then it comes to cast iron pipe that's very, very old, very heavy rust buildup in it. Here's possibly the hole in the pipe that we believe. This is in very poor condition, the cast iron pipe over here. Now we're coming up the roof vent. Okay, so here we are on top of the roof. I'm just going to go ahead and pause the recording. Okay, so we'll give you our recommendations over here. And this inspection was done by Sewer Line Video. And we'll go ahead and stop the recording over here.